Now, this is a slightly tricky question. In this case, the concept of removal and replacement will be applied. Okay, so if I look at the formula of removal and replacement, so it says final fraction is equal to initial fraction, bracket, total solution minus the portion which is removed divided by total solution raised to the power the number of times the step is repeated. Okay, now in this case, we started with pure milk. So initial fraction of milk will be 1. Okay. So the value of I that I will substitute will be 1. Now after repeating the same operation one more time, so basically this operation is repeated 3 more times. I'll see what the operation is. The amount of water left in the container. So final amount of water is 88 liters more than the amount of milk. So if I'll assume milk as X, so water will be X plus 88. All right, X plus 88. Done. So total solution I can say will be 2x plus 88. All right, this will be the total solution. Clear? Now, the value of f, the final fraction of milk, will be milk, which is x, divided by the total solution, which is 2x plus 88. Right? Now, quantity that I'm removing is 72 liters every time. So we shall substitute all these values in the formula and let's try and solve for the value of x. Okay. So final fraction of milk, x upon 2x plus 88 is equal to initial fraction of milk, which is 1, bracket total solution 2x plus 88 minus the portion which is removed divided by total solution raised to the power number of times the step is repeated, that is 3. Okay, so we can cancel out 2x plus 88 from the left hand side denominator, and right hand side we have the cubic power, so square power will be left. So just simplifying it a little bit, x is equal to, in the numerator on the right hand side, 2x plus 16, and this will be whole cube, and the denominator will be 2x plus 88 whole square. I can take 2 common from numerator and denominator and do cross multiplication. So x bracket x plus 44. So in the denominator 2 square and in the numerator 2 cubes. So I'll be left with 2 into x plus 8. All right. So this is the equation, and now I have to solve for the value of x. Okay. So this is square and this is cube, right? I have to solve for x. So either you can open the brackets, make a cubic equation and find the value of x. That will take another 2 or 3 minutes, which will be a lengthy process, right? It will be definitely a lengthy process. Then the final amount of milk left in the container is what we have to find out. And I have assumed the final quantity of milk as x. So basically we'll have to find out the value of x. So what I can do is I can use the options, substitute them and check the validity of this equation if it is satisfied or not. Now, again, I'll be like I use some clever techniques to find out to shortlist the values of x. So if x is 56, then this part will be 56 plus 44, that is 100. Okay, this part will be 100 square, right? If I look at right hand side, it will be 56 plus 8. 56 plus 8, that is 64, 64 cube. So in the left hand side, the value is a multiple of 100. In the right hand side, it is not a multiple of 100, not even a multiple of 5 on the right hand side. So I can reject 56 among the options. Fine. Now similarly, I'll look for another option, 60. Now 60 plus 44 is 104 on the inside the bracket, but since x is 60, so I can say that left hand side will definitely be a multiple of 10, at least a multiple of 5. Looking at right hand side, 60 plus 8, that is 68 cube, will not be a multiple of 5, so 60 will also be rejected, right? Looking at fourth option will give me the same result, 70. If x is 70, then the left hand side will be a multiple of 10 or a multiple of 5 at least, but right hand side will not be a multiple of 5. Fine. So 70 will also be rejected. And I can say that since I have rejected three options, option C has to be the correct one. No need to simplify, no need to check for it. You can just straight away mark this as your answer. So option C is the correct answer for question number 19.